Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to talk about bringing your own model into the Cogniwerk interface. Why is it important to know how to import a model? So one of the really big advantages in the open source community is that you are able to manipulate models that you prompt with, giving them an idea of what a car should exactly look like. Or you have a branded visual communication and you want your prompts to be exactly precise in that direction. We are going to be in a visual world. So what we're going to do is just go on the create button or on the get started for free. I'm already logged in. We are as usual in the text to image section. What we are going to do is now go on imported models. And I already see some imported models that I have. So here is a button that says import new model. And this is going to pop up once you click that button. You have here already a link that goes to civitai.com. So civitai.com is maybe, I believe, the biggest source for fine-tuned models. It's actually quite easy. So once you are on the site, you have already kind of entered the rabbit hole of open source. So Civitai is an awesome platform, but it also has flaws. So the first thing I would recommend doing is you have up here a filter for not safe for work content. And I would recommend having it on the PG or PG-13, and everything on the right side you can leave. And just to make sure, blur mature content as well. The second filter is for the right models. So what we support is that you are integrating your own LoRa models. And the LoRa is kind of like a direction to generate in a certain style or to generate a certain object. You have here the possibility to click the model type LoRa and then see what we support is the SD 1.5, the SDXL 1.0. Well, and now we have a third one that is Flux, and that has Flux Schnell and Flux Def. Currently we have Flux Schnell, but because there aren't that many fine-tuned models for that, we will stick for the moment to SDXL. Once these filters are ready, you can search for the art of fine-tuned model that you want. And I'm just going to search for this e-commerce photography. Just copy this link here and then go back to this site and paste it here. And it already does everything for me. It takes the name, what is the base model, the trigger word, and some of the settings as well. And then I click import model. So when you click import model, the next thing would be that this model will show up in this area of your imported models. And you can just click it. Now that we have activated the LoRa for e-commerce photography, there are examples here. You can take the settings from here, but what I like doing is I like copying this image, go to the prompt helper again, paste it in here, and just let it describe what it sees. So what we're going to do is just copy paste. So you see, we have now created an image as a start. And you can do this with any image that you see. You can copy it into the prompt helper and let it describe as a prompt. And what I now do is, let's just say we are the advertising agency for a tube of cream. And what it does is it takes a lot of the original prompt and just adds that I wanted to add. When I now use this as a prompt, So we have now here, we are in the same world. We have this reflecting surface, we have this white balls, we have the same flowers, the sky. This is quite easy to stay in this visual world by using a LoRa and combining it with a really good prompt. So have fun experimenting. I'm going to link the description for the prompt helper again, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial.